if you want to enable USB debugging on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, then first of all we need to open the settings, then go to About Phone, and over here we need to keep tapping on OS version until we see the information that we are now a developer. Once you enable developer options, we need to go back to the settings, scroll all the way down, and go to additional settings. Then over here scroll down again, and you should be able to find developer options. Select this option, and now we need to find the USB debugging option, which is over here. We can tap on it in order to enable it. Once you enable it, you will see the danger information, that of course there are some possible risks. You need to select this option that you are aware of them, and then after 10 seconds you should be able to press OK. In addition to that, we also have one more USB debugging option, which is over here, USB debugging security settings. So you can tap on it as well in order to enable it. However, as you can see, you need to have MI account in order to do so, which is the Xiaomi account, which can be found in the settings. So if you go back to the main menu of the settings, over here, as you can see, we have Xiaomi account, and here we can log in. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!